Welcome to SEMPER IDEM Signature. Don't forget to comment, like, share, all bell, and subscribe.
I'll spend time to write and sign your request.
The moment when the world faced the unexpected situation, every family was shaken and find difficulties to move on. Some of their family members were lost, not even seen, nor heard of the most. It is not easy to accept the reality that those people have gone easily in service and attributes to the nation, or by rendering their job and dedication, or just an ordinary people in the community who wanted to find leisure even in a day, worries and boredom to the situation within, and nothing to do. Instead, by calling him as the promised of the Lord, ask and it shall be given, for he's good. Let us now declare victory, proclaiming that we defeated our hidden enemy. Let us live the new normal world, declaring the abundance of our Lord. As to start this coming new and succeeding years, be in mind that we are all overcomers. We fought a good battle and lighted the dark hall, new hope and new direction, and filled the life's missing portion. Start thinking positively, evade from absurd negativity. No time from talking blitherly, for this will only ruin good affinity. This year will be a productive year to our work and to our family member, keeping safe and away from any harm, and everyone will be protected and mentally calm.
Living in the place where there is always happiness, and we can utter praises because of His goodness. Happy New Year!